Hello everyone, this is Kara and today I will be doing a Alec Lightwood tutorial for you guys. First you will need a black shirt, whether it's a black button-up shirt like I am wearing or a long black sleeve shirt that I'm currently holding right now. Or if you wish, you can always get a different black shirt, whatever you feel like works for Alec. You will also need black combat boots, since usually that's what he wears like on the show. I personally think any black combat boots will work. What you will also need is black pants of your choosing. If you need to, get a black wig like the one I'm wearing right now or any other style that you think would work. Now that we're at it, why don't we start going to do the makeup right now? Hey guys, so we're currently in the bathroom. You can see my shirt in the background. So what I'm using right now is Diamond FX for the runes. It's water activated makeup. You will need a brush for the runes, that way it'd be easy to draw the runes for itself. You're gonna need a cup of water, and now let's go draw the rune. So first you need to dab your brush into the water and then do what I'm doing in the video. I don't know what I'm doing. So the rune we're doing right now is the deflect rune, the block rune that Alec has on his neck. And so honestly, the best way to tell you this how to do it is just to look at the photo itself and just, draw it. And if you need to correct any mistakes you have on the rune, you can always go back and correct it. It's no big deal. And as you can see, the rune is done for the neck. And as always, if there's still some problems on the neck, you can always go back and correct it. And I'm partying. So the next rune we'll be doing is the angelic rune on Alec's left arm. So let's get to it. I will be honest guys, this rune for me is somehow always the hardest to do because you're doing it upside down. As always, there's always going back and correcting it. You could always use like a different brush or different like utensil for the angelic rune itself, because obviously not everything is perfect, but we'll just, it's cosplay. We do our best. And we are done with the angelic rune on Alec's forearm. Next we will do the soundless rune on Alec's right arm. Now this one isn't as hard, but there's just some details that are a bit difficult to get, but like the more you do it, the more easier it gets. And there you have it for this rune, and well, all the runes are done. If you want to add more runes, you're more than welcome to. Lastly but not least, we will be discussing how to basically act like Alec, not like how I am right now. So pretty much for me, the best thing you can do is just watch clips of Alec Lightwood in the show, like how he carries himself, how he usually acts around the others. That's just how you can honestly just do. For me, for some reason, I just easily get into Alec just because I just relate to him on a personal, deep level. And there you have it for the Alec Lightwood tutorial video. I hope you enjoyed it, I hope this was useful to you, and I hope you have a good time.